Do you want to start learning artificial intelligence but don't know which tool to use? There are so many platforms, so many options, and it becomes confusing. But what if I show you the simplest and most useful tools to start your AI journey today? Welcome back to our AI learning series. In the last video, we learned how to start learning artificial intelligence step by step. But today, we will take one step further. Today, I will show you the most useful tools and platforms that will help you learn AI practically. First, let's talk about learning platforms. Websites like Coursera and edX offer beginner-friendly AI courses. These platforms provide structured learning and step-by-step guidance. Next, you need a place to practice coding. For this, you can use Google Colab. It allows you to write and run Python code directly in your browser. No installation is needed. Now let's talk about simple AI tools. You can use tools like ChatGPT to understand concepts, ask questions, and even generate ideas. This makes learning faster and easier. Another important thing is datasets. To practice AI, you need data. Websites like Kaggle provide free datasets and real world problems. You can learn by solving actual challenges. Finally, let's understand version control. As you grow, you can use GitHub to protect your projects and share your work with others. One important thing to remember is this: don't try to use all tools at once. Start with one learning platform, one coding tool, one AI assistant, and move step by step. Remember, you don't need expensive software. You don't need powerful computers. Most of these tools are free and easy to use. AI learning becomes easy when you use the right tools. The right tools can turn your effort into progress. So don't wait. Start learning, start practicing, and start building your future today.